Hey guys, welcome back to Caddy Girl Garage. So I sound horrible. I still feel horrible, but I'm kind of bored, so I might try to use the buffer a little bit on the roof. As you can see, the one spot that we got right there yesterday. I still haven't posted that video yet. I'll probably put both of them up together tonight. Like I said, I'm not sure how much I'm going to get done right now. I'm still feeling really under the weather, but also the flat top is leaving right now, so the gentleman should be here soon to pick that up. So that's good news. Off to a new home. And yeah, anyway, thanks for joining the video. Let's get started. So the buffer that I bought literally just smelled like it was going to catch on fire, even though it's brand new out of the box. So that'll be going back. So I'm trying out my boyfriend's buffer, but I think we're most likely going to end up just doing it by hand and wearing our arms out. So anyway, that's the update. So we used the buffer. My dad got all the wax off. We need like a cutting, cleaning wax. I don't think the Flitz is going to have enough oomph to do it. It needs like a cutting agent in it to make it look a little bit better. But at least the wax is off the roof, so we're just going to wash it really quick to make sure that there's no residue of Flitz, because you're not supposed to leave that on paint. And then my dad tried a spot of Meguiar's cutting wax on the side here. And I think you guys can see what that's going to look like. It looks amazing. But we got a long way to go. It's going to be, like I said, a long time of buffing and all that kind of stuff. So, but at least we got a good start to this. This looks pretty amazing so far. Like I said, it'll get better with a cutting type wax. But yeah, just trying some stuff. All right, Caddy people, so that's seriously it for me for today. I'm feeling really lousy. So got all the wax off the roof. As you can see, not perfect. Got a lot of checking with the paint up there, things like that. Like I said, I want to try a cutting compound to see if that'll do a little bit better. But at least the wax is off, and then you can see the spot that we tried right there on the side. I have my hopes that it will actually turn out really, really well. Again, the hood being the worst of it, but all the white stuff that you see, that's all wax that's just embedded and needs to come off. So we will just continue to work at this slowly but surely. But like I said, that's it for me today. So you guys have a great evening, and I'll see you maybe tomorrow. Take care.